In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products, also known as product recommendations, to your Shopify product pages. This feature can be a powerful tool for boosting sales and providing your customers with a more personalized shopping experience. Let's dive right in and explore how to implement this using the built-in Shopify method, specifically designed for Online Store 2.0 themes. First things first, you'll want to make sure that your theme is an Online Store 2.0 theme, as these newer themes come with inherent support for a Related Products section. Once you've confirmed that, let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin. From there, you'll head over to the Online Store tab and then click on Themes. In this section, you'll find your current theme. Select it and click on Customize to open the theme editor. The next step involves switching to a product page template. You can do this by selecting Products, followed by Default Product, or another template that suits your preferences. This switch will configure the theme editor to focus on the layout and features available on individual product pages. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the theme editor, where you'll see various sections and panels. Here, you're going to look for a section labeled Related Products or Product Recommendations. If you find this section already present, that's excellent news. Go ahead and click on it to explore the available settings. This is your chance to tailor the section to align with your brand's style and needs. You can adjust the number of products to display, modify the layout, and even change the title to something that resonates with your customers. Take your time to experiment with these settings until you're satisfied. However, if you don't see a Related Products section, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Simply click plus Add section, and from the options, select Related Products. This will automatically add the section to your product page template. Again, you'll want to explore and configure the settings, such as how many related items to show and the preferred styles for the images. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, make sure to hit Save to apply these changes. Using this default method is particularly advantageous as it leverages Shopify's own built-in product recommendation algorithm. It's designed to provide clever and dynamic suggestions based on various factors like product descriptions, collections, historical orders, and more. This algorithm can genuinely enhance the shopping experience by organically displaying products that your customers are more likely to be interested in. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add attractive and potentially lucrative product recommendations to your Shopify store. This enhancement not only enriches the customer experience, but also assists in driving additional sales by showcasing items that complement what your customers are already viewing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!